2 more pages of the logic and data book, and then we got 4 more pages after these 2. So yeah, and it might get confusing with the words that are here, and yeah. So mind me, I know these. So let's get started then. Okay guys, so I'm gonna read now. So branching databases, it's the title. Branching databases are used to identify objects by asking yes and no questions. So it's basically asking yes and no questions, and that's true. Let's read this bit. Like, it's like a post-it note, so I'll call it post-it note with holes on top. Work out the names of the gadgets below by using the questions to help you. Okay, so here are the questions. Write in the names of the gadgets. Okay, so put in the comments below for answers for all of them. I'm just going to give you 5 seconds. Stop the video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so this is a cool kit because it's cool. It's got all the electronics. So I'm gonna writing cool kit, and it's AKA electronic kit. Electronic kit. Okay? You might not see the T proper because no. Okay. So we don't cool kit. We're gonna go from left to right. Device 42. Now this is very, very confusing. I don't know why, but it's this one. Yep, this one. And you can call it iPad Mini 4, iPad, tablet, whatever you want. But it's mostly called in here device 42 because it's branching database. So I don't get it much, but yeah, so it works. So device 42. So basically device 42 is a device. Yeah, device. AKA again, because we have to put them all AKA. Amazotron. Yeah, I know which one's which. AKA tablet / iPad. Okay, now Amazotron, this one. Amazotron. I guessed it because you see, you see that the Amazotron, they usually fly through the air, and they spy on things. And yeah, so pretend this is the Amazotron, my finger, and then pretend this is the Amazotron then, and then this is me or someone else walking and they don't know in the Amazon rainforest or something, and then beep beep, red button. So yeah, it's been 3 minutes and 4 minutes right about now. So Amazotron is that flying thing. So yeah, I don't know what it is called. I forgot, guys. So if you put it in the comments down below, please. Then yeah. Okay, this one is the beast. The beast, yeah. Beast. I think. Was this the Amazotron? Don't. Oh yeah, this is the beast, aka robot. So yep, we've done that. Scientists often use branching databases to identify animals, plants, and insects. Like they've done here. Is it a rectangle? Does it fly? Yes. I don't get why it's Amazotron, because they're not usually rectangular. Using codes to make it simpler for computers and people to communicate information, codes are used. This group leader has come up with a way to tell the children when their next rest break will be. Red flag equals 1 hour, blue flag equals 15 minutes. The next break will be in, write in when the next break will be by looking at the flag combinations. So it obviously says red flag equals 1 hour. 1 hour already. Put in the comments down below if you know the answer to these. I'll give you 3 seconds to pause the video. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so it's 1 hour. Next one is 15 into 15, 5 into 5, 10, 20 into 20, basically 10 and 10, 20, 10, 30. So that will be 30 minutes. Okay. Circle the signal for a break in 45 minutes. Okay, that's 1 hour. That's obviously not 45 minutes. So it would be this one. Why does the leader only need 3 blue flags? Then the leader will use a red flag. Oops. Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you next time for my next video. Don't forget 500 subs. Why merches? I don't know yet. I don't know yet if it's gonna be 5 or 3 people. Right now I'm thinking 3 people, but I might change my mind in my next video. Don't forget to like and share. If I get to 1,000 likes, I'll see what I'm gonna do. Bye, that's it for today. Bye.